This is how I turn one budget cut style of beef into 2 dinners. Tonight we're making a French onion pot roast, and then tomorrow night I'm turning the leftovers into a creamy beef stroganoff. This is dinner number 14 of my budget cut series. Slow cooker, Dutch oven and roasting tray instructions are below in the caption. Season and brown the meat on each side. Remove it, then add in the sliced onions, pop the lid on and caramelize, stirring every 5 minutes for roughly 25 minutes. Add in the minced garlic, thyme, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, plain flour, beef stock and bay leaves. Pop the lid on and then into the oven. We're going to cook it for about 3.5 hours. Once the meat is falling apart, remove it and shred with forks. Stir through the onion gravy and serve with mashed and peas. I like to finish it off with sea salt, pepper and lots of parmesan cheese. Follow along for tomorrow's recipe.